Hello everyone, back at it again for some more TinkerCAD work. In Google Classroom, you will see I posted an introduction to TinkerCAD sheet for you. This is what it looks like. Now, in order to better learn TinkerCAD, they have some starters and some lessons for you to do so that way you can learn how to do all the moves that you need to do to make whatever you want on TinkerCAD. Now, we're going to start with the starters, the CAD starters, and I'll show you how to get there in a little bit. After you watch the last video on some of the basic skills to know, you should be able to do those 5 activities right there just fine. So I'm going to show you how to get into those activities. Now, these next 2 and then into the lessons right here, you need a couple more skills, which I'll make a video on following this one. So now back on our main TinkerCAD dashboard. And again, if you need to get back there, you can always click the TinkerCAD logo wherever it is, and it'll take you back here. You're going to click on Learn up near the top right because we're learning how to do these things. And we have starters, lessons, and projects. Well, we're going to start off right here with starters. So the first one is place it, view it, move it, rotate it, size it up. Those are the ones that we're going to work on right away. And if you look right here, we can see place it. We can actually see 4 out of the 5 that we're going to work on. To see the rest of them, we click on this button, See All Starters. Once it loads, you'll see the rest of them. And again, right now, you're more than ready to do these first 5 starters. My next video, we'll talk about these 2. So I'm going to go into this place it one right now, which is the first one on your list. I'm going to have to click a button to reset the progress that we currently have going on this one, because I'm going to show you a couple things. With this. So all of the lessons and all of the starters have directions on the left side of the screen, which you'll see coming up here right now. I'm also going to move my camera so you'll be able to see stuff a little bit better. So the directions are up here. There's in this one 2 pages worth of directions. There's actually only 1, but you'll see what I mean. A picture to kind of help you out, and then the instructions. And you're going to want to make sure you scroll down through the instructions. The biggest thing that I've seen students when they're walking through these is they miss scrolling down and they have no idea what they're doing. Also, it's kind of weird. Sometimes the first direction is click to the next page. Here's the button right there to click to the next page, okay? So I don't know why they do that, but just make sure you're going through all the pages. So if you look right here, it says, you see the orange shape on the work plane? I do. That's a hint. The hints help guide you to get you started. Find the box shape in the Shapes panel on the right side of the screen. Left click, which you're on a Chromebook, you only have 1 click. So click and drag the box shape to the hint on the work plane. Continue to the next step. So I'm going to click over here. This is your tools area. It has all the shapes you need. We'll talk more about that later. I'm going to pull out the box shape. I'm going to place it right there on that hint section as close as I can. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you want to line it up better, you can use your arrow keys to move it around so it's perfect. But again, not that big of a deal. Click next to see the next step, and it says, you did it. Great, I get a sweet little fireworks show right there. And we're ready to go on to our next one. Now, not to get your hopes up too much, because no matter what you do, it's going to say, great job, you did it, even if you really didn't do anything or you did it completely wrong. These starters and these lessons are for you to learn how to do it. You could easily click right on through, and it's going to say you did a great job, you're ready to move on, even though you're not. So do your best. Try to figure out everything it's talking about, because watch, right here, I'll pull out this sphere shape, and I'm going to put it way up here in no man's land, and I'm going to say, yep, I did it. Next. I didn't even read through the directions, and look at that. You did it. Great work. So again, it's just for you to learn the skills, but you're gonna do what you will with it. When I click done, it's going to say you're ready to move on to the next lesson, which is view it. So I'm going to click continue, and it's going to load up the next one. And if I click back up here, you'll see the next one that I want you to do is view it. Then move it, rotate it, size it up. Those 5 to start us off with, and then I'm going to make another video right after this one to show you how to do those. So here it's loading up. And this next one is going to teach you how to actually use this view cube right here. So again, read through the directions, take your time, figure out what it's doing, and you'll be just fine. So thanks again. Stay tuned for the next video on what to do. Actually, before we do this, I just want to show you how to get to the lessons part of it. So I'm going to click back on the TinkerCAD logo. That's going to take us back to the main screen. And again, learn. So there's the starters. Now the lessons, when you get down to the lesson section down here, you're going to have 6 teacher chosen lessons. These are ones that I want you to do. And then you'll be able to do 3 more lessons that you want to do, any 3 that you want to do. So I click on lessons, and you're going to want to click on see all lessons right here right away. My camera again. Now the lessons that I have selected for you to do, it starts off learning the moves, camera controls, creating holes, scale, copy, paste, key ring letters, and die on a work plane. So you're going to see, I don't see them. Keep on scrolling down, and you'll see the first one right here is learning the moves, and then it kind of there's camera controls, and it follows through right here. They're the last ones on there. These are the lessons you're going to do. Again, wait until after you learn some more stuff from the next video and complete the starters. Now, if you remember, I said at the end, you get to choose 3 of them. You can choose any 3 you want to. Do not do these circuit assembly ones. They don't work the way we actually want them to for our stuff. So you're going to give yourself more of a headache trying to figure those out. The other one I suggest not doing is the ruler, unless you want to spend a good amount of time making a ruler, because it's kind of a pain. But the rest of them, as long as you get them kind of close, that's the goal. Don't worry about perfection, but try your hand on it and stay tuned for the next video where we learn some more moves and some more stuff we can do.